Dear learners, welcome back to our online class arranged by City Commons Girls High School, Chattogram. I am Anjana Borua, Assistant Teacher, City Commons Girls High School. I hope all of you are sound and safe. I am also so. In our previous class we completed punctuation and capitalization. Today I am going to start with another grammatical point, that is changing sentence. There are two types of changings in sentences. One is conversion, another one is transformation. In conversion we can change the meaning of the sentence, but in transformation we cannot change the meaning of the sentence. In class 6 and 7 we accept conversion of sentence, but from 8 to up to higher classes we accept the transformation of sentence. As we are at the end of the almost at the end of the class 7, I will try to avoid the conversion. I will try to teach you the transformation of sentence that will help you in your next classes. So without any delay, let us start our today's topic, changing sentence. Today I will discuss about affirmative to negative. It's two parts. Affirmative and negative is two part of an assertive sentence. In assertive sentence there are two parts, affirmative and negative. So I will try to teach you about how to change an affirmative sentence into a negative one. So let us start. Take your notebook and try to follow my class. So first rule is affirmative word. If there is an affirmative word in an affirmative sentence, we have to use not and a negative word to change the affirmative sentence into negative. So dear learners, let us see an example. He is a good player. When we will negative it, make it negative, he is not a good, negative part is bad player. So he is not a bad player. So we have used, if it is an affirmative sentence, there is a affirmative word. That's why we have for changing negative we have used not plus a negative word to make it negative. Let us see another example. I will show the photo. Negative, I will not hide the photo. Dear learners, I think it is clear to you. Now comes to the next one. If there is an always in an affirmative sentence, we have to use never plus a negative word to make it a negative sentence. So let us see the example. I will always remember your advice. I will always remember your advice. In negative we will get we have to use never. I will never. Instead of always, I have used never. I will never. For remember, we have to use a negative word, forget. I will never forget your advice. Dear learners, let me explain the example. Here is an always in the affirmative sentence. That's why we have to use never instead of always. And here is an remember. We have to use a negative word for remember, that is forget. Let us see another example. He is always late. He is never punctual. Here we have used never instead of always and an negative word for positive affirmative word late, that is punctual. Okay, dear learners, let us go to the next rule. Rule number 3, if there is every in an affirmative sentence, we have to use there is no plus next word of every plus but plus rest part of the sentence. When there is every in an affirmative sentence, the word every in affirmative sentence, we have to use there is no plus the next word of the word every, and then we have to use but and we have to put up the rest part of the sentence. Let us see an example. Every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Here we get the word every, so we have to use there is no, the next word of the word every, the next word is mother. There is no mother but plus we have to use but the rest part of the sentence, that is but loves her child. Let us see another example. Every man wants to be happy. Here is every, that's why we have to use there is no, the word after man every, that is man. There is no man, we have to use but the rest part of the word of the sentence is wants to be happy, but wants to be happy. In this example we can see that here is every, that's why we have used there is no, the next word of every man, then we have to use but. We have put but, then the rest part of the sentence wants to be happy. So we have completed the rule number 3. I think dear learners, it is clear to you. Now let us see the next rule, rule number 4. Only or alone. Only or alone plus person. We have to use none but. For example, we can see only Raju can do the work. Here we can get only and there is a person, the name of a person. That's why we have to use none but instead of only. None but Raju can do the work. Dear learners, I think you can understand. It will be clear to you if we can see another example. The old lady alone can live there. Here we can get the word alone and there is a person. There is person. That's why we have to use none but the old lady can live there. I think dear learners, it is clear to you. Now we will go to the next rule. Rule number 5. Only or alone plus things. Then we have to use nothing but. Here things means not the name of a person. Here we will get the name of any thing. That's why we have to use nothing but. Let us see an example. He likes only cricket. So here is only and it is not name of a person. Here we get name of a game. That's why we have to use he likes nothing but cricket. He likes nothing but cricket. We can see another example. Ruma loves only sweets. If we make it negative, we will get Ruma loves nothing but sweets. Dear learners, like the previous example, we can see here is a name of an food. That's why we have to use nothing but. So we can get that Ruma loves nothing but sweets. So dear learners, come to the next rule. Rule number 6. Only as number. Then we have to use not more than. Here is an example. Romana is only 9. The negative one is Romana is not more than 9. Dear learners, look at the board. Let me explain. Here Romana, here we can get only, and then we get a number 9. Here we get in this example, Romana is only 9. Here this only refers to 9. It's a numerical sign. That's why we have to use not more than. That means Romana is not more than 9. That means Romana is 9 years old. Make it clear with another example. I have only 3 books. I have not more than 3 books. Here the only is here only refers to the numerical word 3. That's why we have to use not more than. That means I have not more than 3 books. I have only 3 books. Okay, dear learners, come to the next rule. Rule number 7. Many. If there is the word many in affirmative sentence, we have to use not a few to make it negative. For example, she has many friends. So as according to the rule, she has not a few friends. Here we can see that she has many friends. We have to use not a few instead of many to make the sentence negative. She has not a few friends. We have used not a few instead of many. Let us see another example. I have many colors. Make it negative. I have not a few colors. As there is many, we have to use not a few instead of many to make it negative. Dear learners, we will go to the next rule. Rule number 8. If there is a few, we have to use not many to make it negative. If there is a few in the word a few, in an affirmative sentence we have to use not many to make it negative. For example, we can see she has, for example, she has a few books. Make it negative. She has not many. We have to use not many. She has not many books. So in this example we have a few in affirmative sentence. That's why we have to use not many instead of a few to make the sentence into negative. So dear learners, we have another rules also in our next class. We will discuss the next part of the rules to do the affirmative to negative. According to today's rules, I will give you some homework to complete it. So let us take today's homework. You will complete it later. So take your notebook and copy the sentences. You will make the affirmative sentences into negative. Here we can see the first one is the man is poor. Number 2, Rohim is always honest. Number 3, everyone loves a truthful person. Number 4, only the graduates should apply. Number 5, only the moon was visible. Number 6, she has only one brother. Number 7, there are many players in the field. Number 8, he is known to a few persons. So dear learners, I hope you will complete the homework at your home and then send a pic to the Facebook page of our school. see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.